So I was walking around Harbor Freight yesterday, and I've got like an air gun in here, and I've got some air tools, and I'm supposed to add a little bit of lubricant to the stuff, like some air tool oil. And so walking down one of the aisles in Harbor Freight, I just happened to notice that they carry it. It was a little under $5 at the time of this video, and I'll show you what it looks like. What I'll do is I'll put a link to it in the description of this video so you can go over to their website, take a look at it, and buy it out of their website if you'd like to. Or if you have a Harbor Freight near you, you can see what aisle it is in and if it's in stock. So here's what it looks like. It's the Merlin air tool oil, and I just happen to have a Cobalt air gun that I purchased from Lowe's. And this can pretty much go in any air tool, and you can apply it directly into the airline inlet right here, or I guess there might be some kind of a tool. I've never seen one. I've never really looked for one, but it says applied directly by pouring into air inlet or with a inline lubricator. So I'm just going to add a few drops into here. There's a little piece of foam under the cap that you have to take this white cap off, take the foam out, and then you can put the cap back on. Then you can add some into the end. So I've added a little bit into here. So now what you need to do is take your air gun and or your air ratchet, hook it up to your airline, hit the trigger a few times, and the oil will work its way through your tool. And it should be that easy. It'll keep everything nice and lubricated in there for you. And if you guys have any questions about it, or if you want to see how I made out, using this oil in my guns, just drop me a line, drop me a comment. I'll reply back to you guys. And like I said, I'll put a link in the description of this video over to Harbor Freight. And thumb up the video if you guys like it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take it easy, guys. Have a good day.